Welcome back to another episode of Tell Me Your Wife is Out of Town Without Telling Me Your Wife is Out of Town Electronics. Today on the workbench, we have a sick animal that has been repaired. This is a vehicle control unit for electric vehicle. And I'm not going to take credit for this idea, though I sort of thought about it doing it with alligator clips. But here we have a voltage regulator, this little sucker, and for some reason its middle leg, which is ground, wasn't getting a ground, so he wasn't doing much in terms of regulating. So let me fire it up using this bench power supply, and now it works. It does what it's supposed to. It takes 12 volts in and spits 5 volts out. So I'm super happy with this repair.